Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'll be showing you how I made this native delicacy, white yam and palm oil sauce. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. It's actually very easy to make. So do not forget to like and share my videos. Thank you. So let's move over to the tutorial. So the first thing I did was to cut the yam, peel it, and then wash. So you can decide to cut the yam to whatever shape you want, but make sure it's not that tiny. Make sure it's not that tiny. You can see the way I'm cutting my, so that's it. So as you can see, the yam is not all that white. This is a new yam. I'm using a new yam to make this. You can use any type of yam, whether new yam, old yam, to do it, but mine is not that. Mine is the new yam. That's why it's not all that pure white. So that's it. So after um cutting the yam, I washed it, added water, salt, and allowed it to cook. Once it's tender, it's soft, so I brought it down. Like I said earlier, don't forget to add salt to it. So that once it's tender, you just bring it down. Then the next is the sauce. I added palm oil to it. After adding the oil, I allowed it to heat. Please make sure you are doing this on a very low heat. Very, very low heat. So the next I did was to add the sliced onion. After adding the sliced onion, I allowed it to fry a little bit. Then I added the fresh pepper. You can actually blend or pound. Me, I pounded mine with a small mortar. So after that, I added the Ugba, added salt, and then seasoning cube. Seasoning cube is actually optional. So after that, I stirred everything. You can go ahead and test for salt if it's okay. If it's not okay, you can just add a little bit. So just stir it a little bit, allow it to just stir it and allow it to heat a little bit, and then you are good to go. This native sauce is actually very, very easy to make. So that's just that. After that, you can go ahead and serve with your white yam you cooked earlier, and go ahead and have your meal. This is very, very easy to make, and it's so delicious. You can actually use this sauce to eat your boiled plantain, roasted yam, and so on and so forth. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.